Now, I've been testing out so many wearables over the last couple of months on this channel, and all of my training and performance metrics had started to get fragmented across different devices, different brands, their own ecosystems, and their own apps. But there's been one app that's helping me keep all of that together, and that's called Strava. And over the last few weeks, I've been actually using Xiaomi's Watch S3, and in this video, I wanted to show you how to get your training and performance metrics as well as workouts over from Xiaomi's Mi Fitness app to Strava. Now, to start transferring your workouts from your Xiaomi device to Strava, head over to your Mi Fitness app on your phone and tap on Profile in the bottom right corner of the app. Select third-party data and then select Strava. Out here, you can see the Connect button right at the bottom of the app. Now you'll get Strava opening up in your phone's browser, and there's actually a few options of data that you want Strava to see from Mi Fitness. I've kept all of them selected and hit authorize, and you might be asked to log into Strava on your phone's browser if you haven't done that before. And once you've logged in, that's it. Your Strava should now be connected to the Mi Fitness app. Give the Mi Fitness app a few more hours to start transferring data. Now, what I've realized is that not all the workouts are getting transferred from the Mi Fitness app to Strava. It's only, I think, the last 2 weeks and any future workouts that you do on your Xiaomi device that do get uploaded to Strava. Now, if you want to remove the connection between Strava and your Mi Fitness app for whatever reason, head over to the profile section again, click on third-party data, Strava, and you can press this disconnect button right at the bottom here, and you'll be asked again to confirm the disconnection. Click OK, and that's it. Your Strava and Mi Fitness app are now delinked or disconnected. So that's how you can start transferring your workouts from your Xiaomi device to Strava. And if you're looking for a watch with lots of premium features but at a really low price, make sure you check this video out. See you in the next one.